If you've made a bunch of screen display changes using Joomla's accessibility plugin and you want to undo some of them but you're not quite sure the way back, you should use the button that I only just realized was there. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for it. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 284 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them. If you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or even just to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Okay, let's turn our attention to the screen, and we'll get right to the topic. Now, just in case you're not aware of the Joomla accessibility plugin, why not turn it on? Why not use it? Here we are in the back of a Joomla 5 site. Let's go to System, and we will go to Plugins, and we're going to filter for, I would just go Access. Two are coming up. Here's the System Additional Accessibility Features plugin. I'm going to go in so we can see the options here. Do you want to use it in the administrator back end, the front end, or both? Let's say both. And we have this option to use emojis or use Google Material Font. Now let's enable the plugin and save and close. And right away down here we see that the icon for that tool shows up. When we click on it, we have lots of options. We can increase the text size, increase the text spacing, invert the colors, underline links. We can use the big cursor. And now suppose like, oh, that's too much. I don't want all these options. Sure, you can uncheck, but how do we get to the original size? How do we get out of all of this? Well, it's super easy because the accessibility options window right there, you'll see there is, I guess that's a reset. It almost looks like a recycle symbol, but it's reset. Just click it and you can be right back. X will close that. You'll be right back to where you were and you can start over and get the view that you want or the view that you need. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.